at any place at any time but you and me. We in Europe, but somehow you still from across the sea. Tried to play me like a dummy, didn't think that I would pee. When this bitch is getting started, I ain't know it in my... Yo, what's up, y'all? This should probably go on YouTube, so I'll say what's up YouTube. It's horizontal. I bought a drone, the Potensic ATOM 2. You know that this thing is really good. It has 4K video, 8K photos. You know, I'm a photographer, so that's really, really good for me. This is being recorded on the DJI gimbal, but I went with the Potensic drone. There's reasons why I won't go to in the video. But I have a lot of cameras and lenses, but I never have that third eye, bird's eye view. I mean, look at this right now. This is literally, I'm not even in the drone yet. This is just the view. So I have a nice open area I'm gonna launch the drone from. No need for me to go into, there we go. No need for me to go too much into detail. If you wanna search up the details of the drone, you could do that. ChatGPT will show you everything. My job is to show this thing. It's updating right now on this other phone. So I'm actually just gonna place this down here. Give it a little space. I don't know if y'all can see the drone. Still updating. We are still updating. So while we update, I will show y'all.
No cat, you know there's voices. Hey, lit, what's happening? I'm a smooth operator, young slime alligator. I don't ever wanna see it, but I think I wanna date her. It's something about the back of me. If you gotta get paid for real, the movie show you how to try to me. I'll put you on, try to come fuck with me. Your mama, what it do? Come fuck with me, show you something new. Come fuck with me, peel off in the cool of the weed. They watching how I move, wanna be me. So baby, what it do? You fucking with me. You can told your family that you fuck with a G. Come slide with me, you can pay me the keys. All night, face down with her ass up, ass up, ass up. And she can't take no more. She keep on saying her movie slim. I knew you was the answer, answer. I'm like, you already know. I knew you was ready. Flawless diamond, you like a spaghetti. Digging them boobies, you like it in bed. You know that them gangs, I need me a wedding. Eat, bag, and badger. Take drugs about you. The love about you. Don't need a voucher. Slow down, moody, shine. He gon' show you little mama how to get. You remember, I'm the boss. I'm the one that turn you up. Let's shot it, don't play dumb. I'm the one that trip you down, baby. You know I'm the one. I'm a smooth operator, young slime alligator. I don't ever wanna save her, but I think I wanna date her. It's all about the vibe and feeling for me, and you gotta get it paid for real. The movie show you how to try back to me. I'll put you on, start to come fuck with me. Your mama, what it do? Come fuck with me, show you something new. Come fuck with me, peel off in the cool of the weed. They watching how I move, wanna be me. So baby, what it do? Fucking with me. You can told your family that you fuck with a G. Come slide with me, you can pay me the keys.
Hey, what's up, Moody? Good girl, she a villain for me. When she dance on my dick, know she feeling the heat. I go deep on her gush. Alright, y'all, that was part one. Yo, this drone is actually fire. I used a friend's before, but I never owned my own, so that was pretty dope. You can see behind me here, it's a trail. This drone has an AI tracking mode, so I'm gonna put it in the air, put it on the trail, and see how well that works. And then, let me see, can I change my camera? Alright, so I can't switch it, but I'll just show y'all. Behind this trail, it's like a river and a creek. And it rained like thunderstorm yesterday. So I'm excited to see like how the water's looking. So I'll take the drone up and then come down by the water. I'm gonna let it lift off from here because there's power lines on the other side because like that's where people live. This is really all open by me. So I'm gonna take the drone off from like right here and then take it up in the air. If y'all want to see the takeoff process, I can put y'all onto that. Hopefully my gimbal decides to help me out here. Is that the drum? see we got it up. Here's command. It's really sunny outside. Doubt that y'all can see that. But about to take it up, so rest of the video will be on the drone. Thank y'all for tuning in. Here we go.
Told her life is like a dream. And tell me what you see.
Louis.
I've been getting to it, baby. Tell me what you see. It was you and I, but you forgot about the week. I will call you every day. Now we ain't talking like 2 weeks. Don't know why I'm thinking about you when I'm overseas. When I see you, girl, it's like I need you. How my heart beats. I put working on this side, so in this game I play for keeps. You look amazing in Dior, but even better underneath. And they get real up in the field. I lace my boots and strap my time and time again. I told her time and time again. Off that potion, I'm in motion. I need her to bring a friend. Fill that clip up if you scud and blow that bitch to be locked in. All I smoke excited bud, you cannot buy this by the gram. Shout out NYC, I'm in Manhattan. Out the Hilton, I be trapping. What you need, the QPHP, hope he pull up, I make it happen. Living by my lonely, niggas acting like they know me. I be dolly, got no homies with an army, but let's stick to rapping. Real step and play with my left hand like I'm on new Ginobili. Sold them CBD like it was out, but that's a different story. I got hoes on top of hoes, I hit the GPT like pick one for me. Flows on top of flows, I keep on rapping till the beat stop. Got a pack that wasn't good enough, so it got reverb. Smoking on the shit I got from Smack, I'm high as trees. I keep throwing money up, she shaking ass until her knees pop. I was out in Italy hitting Louis Vuitton and tea shops. I've been getting to it, baby, tell me what you see. It was you and I, but you forgot about the week. I will call you every day, now we ain't talking like 2 weeks. Don't know why I'm thinking about you when I'm overseas. When I see you, girl, it's like I need you, how my heart beats. I put working on this side, so in this game I play for keeps. You look amazing in Dior, but even better underneath. And they get real up in the field, I lace my boots and strap my...
Hey, yo, Skipper.
Yeah. Hey. Shorty be shaking her legs like shit. Yeah. Shorty be shaking her legs like it's jelly. Send her the attic, she slide to the telly. Cooking it up like rotini spaghetti. All in her phone cause I fuck with her heavy. Shorty be shaking her legs like it's jelly. Send her the attic, she slide to the telly. Cooking it up like rotini spaghetti. All in her phone cause I fuck with her heavy. Cause we in New York, I'ma call her a wedding. She slim on her waist but she walk with the fat. Spoiled like shit so her attitude brag. Keep taking hits when she roll up the bag. I'm booking my flight and I'm going to Cali. She talk to her father but still call me dad. I'm tweaking in Jersey and toting the rag. I serve you a deuce of the carrots so glad. So I'm finna run up the racks like on the track doing laps. When I'm in PA, I'm tucking the strap like, cause you should never laugh. If you coming with cash, we can get you a pack like, drop the low where you at. I fucked it up, had to learn to bounce back. I hit the beat in the store and attack like, shorty be shaking her legs like it's jelly. Send her the attic, she slide to the telly. Cooking it up like rotini spaghetti. All in her phone cause I fuck with her heavy. Shorty be shaking her legs like it's jelly. Send her the attic, she slide to the telly. Cooking it up like rotini spaghetti. All in her phone cause I fuck with her heavy.
Balliamo sotto la luna, cantano I grilli, balliamo fino alla fortuna, il sole ritorna, la notte è giovane e noi siamo anche, possiamo per sempre restare, se andiamo là, balliamo sotto la luna.
Mi mujeres hermosa, yo tengo tu corazón. Necesito la mujer, cause when I'm lonely it get cold. I keep rolling up the weed, it ain't enough to get me gone. I would catch you up to speed, but like Diablo in my phone. We could take vacacion, but pick an island, we be out. She come with an attitude, I buy Chanel so she don't pout. Don't put pressure on the past because I'm living in the now. Me and Dalvin had to walk when niggas said it was a drought. Moody said he had the bars, I'll pull up and buy him out. Dante said he had a farm, we got a pee and smoked it out. Got this pack here just to smoke, I am not selling out a grand. She got dreams of movie stars, want me to fuck her on my can. Feeling like it's 2012, I'm in this bitch just going ham. Get the taxing out of towners, hit the spot like Uncle Sam. Get the drop and duck the cops, I always got the upper hand. So many 20s in this roll, I damn near bust a rubber band. Mi mujeres hermosa, yo tengo tengo tu corazón. Necesito la mujer, cause when I'm lonely it get cold. I keep rolling up the weed, it ain't enough to get me gone. I would catch you up to speed, but like Diablo in my phone. We could take vacacion, but pick an island, we be out. She come with an attitude, I buy Chanel so she don't pout. Don't put pressure on the past because I'm living in the now. Me and Dalvin had to walk when niggas said it was a drought. Look me in my eyes and see that I'm gone. I can only love you when the sky falls. Baby girl, need you in the time. Girl, you only love me when the time wrong. I hop on a flight, I'm switching time zones. Look me in my eyes, you see that I'm gone. I can only love you when the sky falls. Girl, I'd only love you till the sky fall down. I'm the king on the throne, where's my crown? Had to pick the weed up and put the pills down, cause the shit getting crazy, niggas died in the town, so I'm worried. Riding around, I'm paranoid, I'm clutching Stephen Curry. Smoking on the shit I got from smacking, got me buried. What you talking about if you ain't know that you ain't heard me? We the ones that's getting it in bright and dirty early. Like a motherfucking early bird, I got the worm. Hitting on this bitch, I pull her hair, she got a perm. Nigga think they fucking with me, must be smoking Sherm. Switches in his body, ain't no casket, get a urn. I'm just paying what I earn, reaping what I sow. My bitch is French, she even got the French toast. Got a bitch up in the party, she go skiing with her nose. She know how to tussie slide, but she be doing tussie though. Go ahead, mama, go ahead, baby, twist them legs, tussie roll. Put them legs above your head, try to see how deep this pussy go. Change the sheets on the bed, hotel service on the go. They don't know that you squirt on the low, you a pro. Girl, I love what you done to me. She off the liquor, I'm up drinking, be like fluid to me. I'm getting high, meditate just like a Buddhist, you see. Cause if I'm getting aggravated, I'ma pull it like teeth.
Another positive I want to touch on is the packaging of this thing. It came super clean, so right away we got the 3 battery power bank. So what we'll do is SD card goes in there, battery goes in there, slide that out, pop it back into the power bank. I think if we hit this button it'll show you all my batteries are dead. I've been flying it all day, but let me see if I can take this down. Oh yeah, so make sure you got your lens cap on there. There we go. I want it to be gentle, I don't want to break it. Propellers tucked, lid on. Take this Velcro, wrap it around the drone like so. Bang. Slides right into the pocket. Camera down always, I believe. That latches over. Batteries, I lied. Slide in that pocket. Because now we have the controller. So for the controller, I'll go lower so y'all can see what I do here. First, disconnect the phone. Phone disconnected. Second, the cord, I keep the cord in. It's the iPhone cord. You can take it out, but if you look on the bottom, there's an actual harness piece for it, so I'm not too worried about that. These unscrew. Go back here. 1. 2. This folds directly down. Then the controller slides right in there, like so. And that is everything. Super W to pull in Sonic for this. Definitely. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. W new drone. This is the Potensic ATOM once again. Stopped to get some Ritas. It was hot outside, cool down. Mango cherry mix. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow on Instagram at Lit the Photographer. More drone footage coming soon. Couple flights planned, so got a couple big things planned. Also studying for my drone license. So once I get my drone license, I'll be able to do like a lot more paid work and higher altitudes and things like that. Right now I'm like operating over somebody that just bought a drone. It's under the weight requirement, so I don't have to legally like license it, but I'm just gonna get my license anyway so I can get more paid work. So that's what we're doing. Once again, appreciate y'all. W Ritas, W Potensic ATOM 2.